What's up, guys? Welcome to Daily Take Week 1. I'm your host, Take1516, and since this is the first show of the Daily Take, my very first show, I'm going to just make this short and sweet. I'm here, if any of you guys have questions, advices about anything, I'm here, just talk, and, I am new to this, and, I'm starting off on an iPhone, iPod Touch, and you guys, you can make fun of me as you want. I'm here to not just to get views, not to make videos, but to help you guys out. You guys got personal issues, you guys talk to me. You know, there's just a lot of things that I have issues with. I talk to people, and I don't really necessarily use YouTube. I use my family members, but you don't have to use me, but you can use other people. It's any question you need to know, any comments, anything that you need to know or something, just comment, on the bottom of the screen here, and I will only answer the last 10 comments that come in before I make my next video. So if you guys, have any issues, questions, just ask me. This is Take on 516 leaving, and I'll see you next week on the Daily Take. Good night.